Hey guys! Oh, actually, hey beauties! It's your girl Crystal. Welcome to BeyondBodie. So today we're going to talk about, we're in the process of actually like learning and developing our soap right now. We've been struggling with our soap as of lately. I'm having a hard time getting it to set up completely. It's been setting up, but it hasn't been setting up well. And it's been taking a very, very long time. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing different. So I tried a different recipe and a couple of different methods, and it still was a fail. The soap that we did have available to use, which is this one, as you can see, it did set up eventually, but it took a very long time. When most people talk about setting up in 1.5 days. Unfortunately, I did try a different method. We used a heating pad and it forced it in a gel phase, but I think that because of the reaction with the heat and the lye, it kind of gave a little bit of an explosion. So I'm super disappointed, but we're going to keep working at it. One of the things I'm probably going to end up trying to do is put it in a crock pot to see if I can save it and see if there's anything I can do, and then re-sit it back into the mold and see if I can set it up that way, and hopefully it will set up correctly. Our goal is just to get the basic soap out of the way, and once we have the basic soap, then we're going to start working on our formulation for our for our collections, basically. I keep saying basically, but and this is just the beginning phase, and it took me like a while to get the bubble bars together, but we did it. So I just have to keep on trucking, keep going, and I know that I'll get there. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.